So we're here in a bathroom remodel, and I want to talk to you about reinforcing half walls, sometimes called a pony wall. Half walls, they're notoriously wobbly at the end because there's nothing to fasten them or secure them to. A lot of callbacks, a lot of complaints from clients. There are several ways to stiffen a half wall, and I'm going to show you one of the ways right now. So my technique to do this is to basically run one, two, or more of the studs down into the floor joist bay and then glue and secure it to the joist like this. You can bolt them, you can do all kinds of things. If you don't have the floor joist running perpendicular to your wall, you can add blocking and do it that way. But this is one way to do it. We've done it with threaded rods, but this is a great way to make it super strong. If you look right here, you'll see how it runs all the way down into the joist. I hope this helps, guys. Have a great week.